Hi everyone, I am Ida. This is my first video. My father and I are going to show you everything about Rubik's Cube, like how to solve different type of cubes, review videos, unboxing videos, and online and offline competition videos. If you follow our channel, you can explore the Rubik's Cube world very easily. To motivate us, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications for upcoming videos. So, without any delay, let's start. First of all, I am going to share with you about the Rubik's Cube history in a brief before solving any cube. Erno Rubik, a Hungarian inventor, architect and professor, had invented cubes in 1974. Initially, these cubes were named as magic cubes. He made the first cube with the help of wood. Its main purpose was to make children happy. Later, these cubes became very popular because of the scientific benefits and entertainment in people of all ages. So, Erno Rubik became very popular in a short time. In 1980, the Ideal Toys company purchased the patent and started to produce cubes commercially. After marketing, they named these cubes first time as Rubik's Cube to pay honor to the inventor. Rest of the history we all know. So now we are going to see my three solves. First in 3x3, another in 2x2, and last in Pyraminx. Now enjoy my solves. This is a 3x3 scrambled cube and this is the timer where we can measure our solving time. So I am starting. My solving time is 15 seconds 563 milliseconds. Next is my 2x2 solve. So I am starting. My time is 6 seconds. Now the last solve is a Pyraminx solve. So see it and enjoy it. My solving time is 8 seconds. Our next video will be on cube notations, which will be shown by my father, and it is very important to learn before solving any cubes. Last but not the least, please like our videos, write any comment if there is any suggestion or queries, and please share our videos. Till then, take care and see you in next video. Bye bye.